Hey Wander Beauties, it's Danielle Lewis, Global Brand Educator for Wander Beauty, and today is all about Lift Off Purifying, Brightening, and Exfoliating Mask. I'm going to show you how I use it, give you my tips and tricks, and answer some of your questions. Let's go. Lift Off is our purifying, brightening, exfoliating mask. It's enriched with superfruits like acai and kale and clay, which removes impurities from deep within the skin. Lift Off is great on all skin types. We do recommend a patch test to make sure it works for you. I typically patch test right along my jaw. My skin's normal, but after I use Lift Off, every single time I feel brighter, more bouncy, and my skin is just so much smoother. When applying Lift Off, I want you to think about a rose petal, the size as well as the thinness. This is about how much you should be using. When applying Lift Off, make sure you create a thin, opaque layer so that it can dry evenly and can be removed in one go. Make sure you avoid your hairline and your brows because Lift Off removes impurities from deep within the skin and we wouldn't want to remove any hairs in those areas. Allow Lift Off 15 to 20 minutes to dry. You'll know it's ready when you touch it and it's no longer sticky. So what I like to do is lift along the edges of the mask, and you can either use your hands and press against it, or you can find a nice little area. I think I found it here, and gently remove. Okay, so I just removed Lift Off. My skin feels amazing. It feels brighter, it feels smoother. I also feel like there's a little bit of a blur, so there's a filter moment happening, which I love. Now, we have gotten some questions about redness. And if you experience a temporary flush after using Lift Off, it's because it's a brightening, purifying mask that also exfoliates the top layer of skin. Don't be alarmed, and as always, make sure you patch test before using all over the face. And I typically patch test right along my jaw. Lift Off comes in two shades. I was wearing our Berry Pearl, but we also have a Rose Gold shade. Same function, same formula, but Rose Gold is our limited edition shade. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all about Lift Off, drop them in the comments. We'd love to talk with you. As always, feel free to send us a DM about any of our multitaskers. And if you would like to peel to reveal your brightest skin yet, shop Lift Off at wanderbeauty.com.